Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the backlight will turn off after we stop using our watch. Let's start by opening the menu on our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the up/menu button for a second or two. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Find the system option, select it, and then press the start/stop button to enter. Now, scroll through the menu by pressing the up or down buttons. Find the option called backlight, select it, and then press the start/stop. And here we have two options, during activity and not during activity. Basically, you can customize the backlight settings for two modes of the watch. The first mode, or maybe state of the watch, is during the activity. So when you're tracking the activity like running, cycling, swimming and stuff like that. And the second one is not during the activity, so basically everything else, so normal usage of the watch. First, let's select the during activity and press the start/stop. Now we can scroll down, find the option called timeout, and here we can change the timeout duration for our backlight. So let's select the timeout, press the start/stop, and here we can select the durations. And we have 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and no timeout. Select the option you like, and then press the start/stop to apply it. And now the screen will turn off automatically during the activity after the 30 seconds rather. Okay, let's press the back button and go back to the backlight menu. Here, select the not during activity, press the start/stop, and again we can scroll down, select the timeout, press the start, and here we can select one of the durations, for example 15 seconds, and then press the start to confirm. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen, or rather backlight timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.